Much quieter weather is going to be expected over the next couple of hours as showers and storms begin to taper off. We have no active severe weather across the area, but I bet some of those storms did get your attention earlier. One area where we're still watching very close for some minor gusty winds and also the risk of any lightning is going to be across Hancock County. This from Findlay south on I-75 over toward Bluffton. A pretty heavy downpour that is in fact crossing into Bluffton. And there is some lightning associated with this, about a dozen and a half lightning strikes that have been showing up, and maybe you're hearing some booms of thunder across southern Hancock County, back over toward Bluffton, even some distant thunder from Ottawa. Here in Henry County, a little pocket of steadier light rain. That is nothing that is going to bring strong to severe weather. And earlier in the afternoon, we got pummeled with some heavier rain and storms, southern end of the Toledo Metro, mainly from Maumee to Perrysburg, down toward 475, just along River Road, over toward Sidecut Metro Park. Indications are we had 1 to 2 inches of rain that occurred from about 2 to 3 p.m., and it came down in buckets across parts of Fulton County. Right around Delta is where we had some reports of wind damage, which included some very dramatic video. And look here, this video, multiple tractor trailers that were overturned, likely by straight line damaging winds, and you can see traffic moving very slowly. One more view I'm going to give you here, and we're going to see another tractor trailer that was overturned, nearly toppling itself on top of a vehicle. So very fortunate, no major injuries are reported in this, but a very tense scene out there toward the Ohio Turnpike around Delta. Now, temperature-wise, it depends on if you've gotten rain or not. Where it's been rain-cooled, we've turned the atmosphere over back into the mid to upper 70s. Still going to be very sticky this evening. Where it's yet to rain, upper 80s and low 90s. Did have highs today that reached into the mid 90s. Not a record high today. We have had a couple record highs, though. Monday and Tuesday of this week felt just as hot today, reaching into the mid 90s. And to put things in perspective, we added 2 new record highs to our streak of record highs. It has been 2,051 days since our last record low in Toledo. That was back on November 13th, 2019. We've had 33 straight record highs since we've had our last record low. Storm's going to be done with tonight, and we're going to have dry weather that will return in our 10-day forecast. It is going to show some more storms out there Friday. Saturday, Sunday looking dry, back into the upper 80s Monday. And then next week is when it turns less humid and a bit cooler, mid 80s as we head toward 4th of July.